Opening my merch. I got 3 packages, but only 2 are of Miraculous. One is of Marker. So yeah. Let's start with this. Another one. Cute. And the charms are in the little bag. I'll open it on my desk. And now this. What the heck? They gave me candy. Are these packages always are decorated pretty? But this one giving me candy is something new. Me da risa que un artista que me mandó correo me dio té, literalmente. Sí, aparte de eso, dulces que acaba de sacar. Eso es chistoso. Porque usually artistas siempre tienen decorado el paquete. Este tiene limones. Pero esta es la primera vez que me regalan como dulce o snack. And I found tea inside. And here's stickers. I'll open it at my room. Ah, this is so pretty. So gorgeous. My reaction was first in Spanish, but I didn't want to sound loud around my grandma, but I sounded really happy. I'll have a better look at it at my room. I had limited time to edit a voiceover there, so I had to rush saying my sentence, but yeah, like my first impression was like shock, like shock in Spanish, but I didn't want to like say it in Spanish. But I wasn't talking so low, like I tried to talk loud enough for the camera so the mic can catch it. So now we'll go back to my room. So here we are. This looks so cute, so gorgeous. And it comes with a flower pin. Oh my god. I found this like how do you say, like kinda secretly. Oh my god, it even has this in the back. Like a pin artist showed the link on her Instagram story. I like in the last 2 months started following pin artists, and this pin artist wasn't really like too out there. I mean, all of them are kind of like it's hard to find them, but she's more like she was like a rare find. Oh yeah, I love these. These are my first homemade pins, but not the first ones I bought. The first ones I bought haven't been made yet. They're Adrianette. But and Etsy I bought some, but these are like more wow quality. Like also the Etsy ones are awesome, but these are just more wow, you know, like God's higher. So these 2 merch are from 2 different sellers. And I thought this was gonna come more bigger, but it's like a card. And this artist made a pin out of this, but I cannot afford it. And I don't really want it so much, but it's cool. Here it is. A thank you. Personal message. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to peel that protective covers off your charms, Mary. Oh yeah, I was gonna open that up. Oh yeah, so the funny thing about this artist is that I had to buy Harry Potter stickers, and I'm not into the ship of Harry Potter, but it was a way to make it cheaper, so I thought I might have to throw these away. Look at the message, like, it might look good. I'll see what I'll do with them. Oh my god, they're so small. This is here. Like, is this for me? Oh my god. Filled out. What's... Oh, I cannot ship back. It says fill out, ship back, get free stickers. I cannot. Like, I appreciate this artist's hard work. Her name I think was Pixel something. I cannot ship myself. So, what the heck? This is not what I thought. Ah. Oh. She gave me a Lady Noir heart sticker. It's small. Really small. Oh, so this was free. So I didn't order that stuff. Stickers? No, this is the Harry Potter ones. I'll be surprised if I find some miraculous in here. Thank you for your order, please. 15% off. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, this artist is doing a lot. Giving me a discount now. Only valid in month of June. I'll keep this. Oh my god. Why does this look like Lloyd from Spy X Family? Okay, I'll keep it. I won't throw it away. And the other one fell on the floor. And this is the other sticker. So they came out small. I thought they were gonna be bigger. Oh, they look pretty. And here's the tea she gave me. The mint, the other candy. Let's put that to the side. Oops. My mom ended up throwing the tea and candy away. She doesn't trust it, even though I said that it looks like she's really generous, the artist. And with the discount code and the free stickers and how she decorated the card. Now gonna open my charms. Oh wow, it feels like Christmas. Oh my gosh. And I thought these were gonna be bigger. For some reason it looks bigger on camera, but this is okay size. Okay size. We have Mary Chat. And look, it's Rena Rouge. I just like how she look with the macaron dresses. Chat Noir. Chat Noir. Cat Noir. Cat Noir. Cannot scream right now. I tried copying her line. It's so cute. Merch. The last times I did a unboxing video, I didn't publish it. I didn't finish editing it. So I'm glad that I'll be able to finish this one. Yeah, I don't know if I should upload the previous two unboxing ones because people already seen the merch. So yeah, I probably won't. And it's really ironic that they came like in the same day. Really ironic. Be honest, on her shop and Mary's shop, I just wanted this charm and kinda the boba drinks. Though I wasn't sure about the boba drinks, but I just went all out since I was getting her pride pins. Mary Jane. And it's actually my last favorite on the Love Square. But I still like it. Still appreciate it. But Lateran is my third favorite and Mary Chat fourth. So yeah. Mary Chat. Or it's Mary Chat. Chat. No.
¿Por qué no?
Porque no.
Pagan a 10 la hora.
Oh. My mom threw away the tea and candy because she doesn't trust. And I get that, but it was just generosity for others. We also had a conversation about how she found a job for me, but I ended up cutting our conversation because it was too long. I still cannot get this. I appreciate it. The artist Pixie, I think that's her name. Like, I remember I read Pixie, and it was with another name together. Really cannot remove. Oh well, I'll just leave it. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. like the shirt Zach is selling over that I saw. Because Ladybug is overrated now. But I'll still wear merch of her. Usually with Cat Noir though. Because I think maybe when I start buying more shorts, I can buy one of Rena Rouge. Oh my god. So beautiful. And honestly, she's not my favorite character, but I love like the three best friend. I don't know if Isla's friends with Adrian. I don't know if she's best friends with him. But yeah. Eh. And Ladybug. It's Ladybug. Oh man, I forgot the lyrics. But yeah, it's Ladybug. Jumping around like Spider-Man. So oops. Isn't it so cute? I love those pins. Like guys, there's only one Cat Noir left and 2 Ladybugs now. Last time there was like 15 or something like that. That's Mary Cherry. The Boa Lady Noir stickers. It's more like cards to be honest. And this is Pixie's name, Purple Lit Pixie. So I had talked with Mary this one day about the pin. So I don't wanna showcase their website, so I don't get them in trouble because of copyrights. So just DM me if you're interested in their shops. Cause yeah,